Mrs. Edwards, it
Sounds nasty there. How can I help?
Had a little accident with the instructions home.
okay. Don't worry, we'll get you back nice and warm.
Wherever you are in Wales, Travelline Cymru can help you find your way home. And with our friendly, dedicated agents, we can get you there in no time. Don't unravel when you travel. Call Travelline.